Okay, so good morning, and this is our best-selling product called AUMAX HD, and it has, as you can see, it has a 24-inch screen size, and this is for the camera, and it has buttons on the top, also on the other side, as you can see. So it's very convenient for the left-hand user to do operations, and the camera can be just flipped around about 180 degrees, so like this. And also you can do rotation for near view, and then to far view, and also to self view. So overall you can do 270 degrees. And here you got LED illumination. This is for the switch for the LED illumination. And it also has a keypad, but it's wired, just in case you can just lose it very easily. So we just use a wire connection so that you cannot lose it, you know. And you got to use menu and also lens cloth as well. So right now let's just turn the unit on. So we just plug in the keypad like this. And the power switch is behind the monitor. So you just turn on. So now the unit is turned on. So this is the standard reading position for near view. And see, it's ready to do reading. And you can just either push the buttons on the top on the camera head or use the keypad, but that is the very convenient way to control the unit. So the yellow button is for mode. So as you can see now, it goes into gray and a high contrast mode, black and white on black, black and white, white on blue, yellow and black, blue and yellow, green and black, and true color. And we also had these green buttons is for zoom in and zoom out. So you can zoom in and you can zoom out. You can also do the line marker. This is a vertical, and this is horizontal actually. And then we got the vertical line marker and a vertical mask. So you can just increase the mask or decrease the mask. And it also has a freeze function. So now the freeze will show up on the right corner. I mean, it tells you the image is frozen. So you can just move off the reading material. After freeze, you can also change the color. And also you can do the magnification as well. And also for this unit, we have a scrolling function, which means after freeze, and also you magnify a little bit, so you can do scrolling, and then push the white brightness button and hold it, and then find for left and mode for right movement, and zoom in for up movement, and zoom out for lower movement. And as you can see, it has left and right button. This button is mainly for the left-handed user, because usually we just flip the camera head to the left side. As you can see, the image is upside down. So just push the left and right button, so it goes into the normal reading position. But right now, this reading paper is very glossy. So we don't have to turn on the LED illumination, so you just turn it off in order to have better image quality. So now as you can see, I mean, no flashing, no reflection, you know. Also another main function is about the find. The find means that when the unit is in higher magnification, so let's say just magnify to very high magnification, And then in this situation, usually it is not that easy for you to locate something that you are looking for. So you just push the find button and hold it. So you will zoom out to the minimum magnification. Then you can see the whole view, and then you can just rotate the camera towards the content that you're looking for, and then you just release the button. You will magnify it automatically. So that's it. Very convenient, very easy. Also for the natural color mode. So now let's go back to the natural color mode. This is true color. For true color mode, it has 3 versions: warm, cool, and normal. Because some people they prefer cold light, and some people prefer the warm color. So we provide several choices to meet different needs from different individual users. Just now we mentioned it has 8 color modes, and for the first 4 color modes, like natural color, gray color, black on white, white on black, these 4 colors are the standard configuration of the unit. Well, for the last 4 color modes, you can do customization to any color you want, which means you can change the foreground and also the background as well. And so the set will be shown on the right corner, and then you just push the plus button to change the foreground. Actually, it's background color, and then press minus button to change the foreground. So to form different combination of color modes. And once, say, you like this color, and then you just push left and right button and line mark button at the same time, you'll be saved. And then you can just continue to next, say, custom color and etc. Because it has 8 color modes, and sometimes it's difficult if you just miss the previous color mode you are looking for. And then here we do provide a very convenient way to go back to the natural color mode very quickly, which means push the mode button and hold it. So you will go back to natural color mode. So one touch. And also this unit, just now we mentioned it has 3 viewing modes: near reading mode, and also you can do the distance view mode as well. So you just rotate the camera. And to do far view, you need to lift up the close-up lens. So as you can see, then you can do far view very easily, and you also can zoom in. Like that. And then you can rotate it down to do near view. Now this image is turned upside down, so we just push the left and right button to make it normal. And last thing is that you can do the self view, which means you can look at yourself to do put on some makeup, just like this. So you can just check out your clothes texture, So this is pretty much about the AUMAX HD. Oh, one last thing, last but not the least. So it has a sliding wheel behind the monitor, so you can just slide from left to right, and you can also put your books over here very easy, and also you can slide to the left side, and then you can just put down your books over here. Then you can just make some notes in front of the monitor very easily. So that's it. Thanks for watching.